fun with fire. Tonight, doing a little safe and sane TNT fountain. It's called Freedom 76. It's a Freedom 76er. Little tube fountain. There's your item number, the 20156er for the 76er. I like the patriotism on this fountain. So let's celebrate our freedom on this Memorial Day weekend with some Freedom 76. Oh yeah. All right, Freedom 76. And she's lit. Very nice. Yeah, it's doing that laser thing again. I don't know why it does that sometimes. And it's very wet out. Freedom 76. I don't know why it's doing that. Hold on. I don't know. Maybe the lens was a little dirty. I didn't clean the lens. That could have been. Look at the smoke. Oh yeah. Breathe it in, trees. Why is it so blurry? Huh. Oh well. Yeah.